Marhaba, my name is Hisham and you are learning vocabulary with Total Arabic in 3 levels. Remember, the Arabic words are color-coded. Blue for masculine, purple for feminine, black for anything that applies to both masculine and feminine, green for phrases, and orange for the plural. If you find that you benefited from this lesson, please like the video and subscribe, enabling notifications for future videos. Also remember to share with other Arabic learners. Finally, please let me know how you got on in the comments below and how long it took you to memorize the words in the video. Level 1. I will read the Arabic word or phrase and I want you to guess the meaning. You have 5 seconds to say the translation before me. Before we start, let me tell you why we are doing this level. First, to get you used to how Arabic words are pronounced. Second, to remember their writing. And third, to train the brain to connect the sound and or the writing with the meaning.
What does this mean? Dunya. Dunya means word. Dunya, word. Ardun. Ardun means earth. Ardun, earth. Sama'un. Sama'un means sky. Sama'un, sky. Shamsun. Shamsun means a sun. Shamsun, a sun. Sahra'u. Sahra'u means desert. Sahra'u, desert. Narun. Narun means fire. Narun, fire. Bi'run. Bi'run means a well. Bi'run, a well. Asa. Asa means a wooden staff. Asa, a wooden staff. Hajarun. Hajarun means a stone. Hajarun, a stone. Hadiqatun. Hadiqatun means a garden. Hadiqatun, a garden.
That was great. Now we are at level 2. I will read the word or phrase in English and you need to say the equivalent in Arabic. If you don't remember, that simply means you need to practice more. Again, you have 5 seconds to give the answer before me. Before we start, I want you to understand why we are doing this. So the first goal is to provide you with the chance to say the word in Arabic. And here, I cannot stress enough that it is really important for you to say the Arabic word out loud. And the second goal is to train the brain to recognize the Arabic word by hearing or reading its translation in English. So now let's start.
How do we say this in Arabic? Word. Word is dunya. Word, dunya. Earth. Earth is ardun. Earth, ardun. Sky. Sky is sama'un. Sky, sama'un. A sun. A sun is شمس the sun شمس desert desert is صحراء desert صحراء fire fire is نار fire نار a well a well is بئر a well بئر wooden stuff wooden stuff is عصا wooden stuff عصا a stone a stone is حجر a stone حجر a garden a garden is حديقة a garden حديقة
Well done. You have reached level 3. I don't want you to stop here. I don't want you to give up. I want you to continue practicing. Now I will say the Arabic word and you will need to pause the video and try to write it down. When you finish, play the video and compare your writing with the one on the screen. If you are new to writing Arabic, Totally Arabic is offering a complete course for reading and writing Arabic. The link is in the description below. The goal of this level is to facilitate a long-term improvement in your vocabulary. Words stay with you longer when you write them down. So this is why writing words down is very, very important. So now let's start with the first word.
write in Arabic دنيا Dunya is on the screen. 4 letters. Dunya. Ardun. Ardun is on the screen. 3 letters. Ardun. Sama'un. Sama'un is on the screen. 4 letters. Sama'un. Shamsun. Shamsun is on the screen. 3 letters. Shamsun. Sahra'u. Sahra'u is on the screen. 5 letters. Sahra'u. Narun. Narun is on the screen. 3 letters. Narun. Bi'run. Bi'run is on the screen. 3 letters. Bi'run. Asa. Asa is on the screen. 3 letters. Asa. Hajarun. Hajarun is on the screen. 3 letters. Hajarun. Hadiqatun. حديقة is on the screen. 5 letters. حديقة.
Thank you so much for watching and being part of the Totally Arabic community. If you have any questions about what I have covered in this video, feel free to ask. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel as Totally Arabic has more to offer in helping you learn, grasp, and speak Arabic. See you in the next video. Keep practicing.